Let's solve problem 32 on the 2025 USNCO Locals exam. What is the equilibrium constant expression for the reaction below? So if you've taken any type of chemistry class, you should be familiar with how to write equilibrium constants. And so, for example, if you have this reaction, this is pretty much how they always explain it. It would just be K equals D to the power of the coefficient, C to the power of the coefficient. So you just do product over reactants times you do product over reactants and you raise each thing to the coefficient in its chemical equation. And so this would be the equilibrium constant for this reaction. Now the important thing is only aqueous and gas. Because the thing is, how can you really have a concentration of a liquid in a solid? It doesn't really conceptually make sense. So we don't consider that in the equilibrium expression. And so from there, we can see that since we have AgCl solid plus 2NH3 aqueous goes to AgNH3 2 plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous. If we consider the products over the reactants, we get K over AgNH3 2 plus, there's a plus anyways, and then Cl minus over NH3 squared. And you don't include the AgCl because that is a solid. And so that's the equilibrium constant, and that matches up with answer choice D.